Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress Crud operations. So today we are going to learn how to change the icons of the WordPress WP admin. So if I want to change this menu icon, how I'm going to change this, we are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. So we have the dash icons, okay, dash icons WordPress admin. Okay, so we will check this one resource. So here we have all the list of the icons we have, so you can see that. Okay, so how we are going to add this, so let's see. So those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and like the video. Okay, so here we have the new option, that is dash icons. Okay, so here we have to add at the last of it. Okay, dash icons. So let's see icons are reflecting or not. So here you can see that it's changes. Okay, and its a position is changes also. You can, if you make it the position 9, so it's shift. Okay, it's shift, right? And if you make it like 8 or 2 second, so it come to the top. Okay, less stable. So you can also change the position and add the icons accordingly. Okay, so let's choose another icon. Suppose I want to add this icon, right? So this is admin site. Okay, so I need to add this admin site over here. Let's see. You can see the icon is changed. So you can also change the icons of the menu with the help of this thing. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.